Hey guys, this is my first video of the day. Today is 20th June. So we came here by scooter. It's some kind of like waterfall, not waterfall, like a river. It looks so good to take a swim here, but there are signs no swimming. It looks so refreshing. So there's a dude like chilling. He looked like he swam. Yeah, there is people. Yeah, they're definitely swimming. It's so refreshing. So we came here to get some food at Jian Traditional Market. It's kind of closing, but still you can find something. So soon there's gonna be Dragon Ball Festival. Dragon Ball, like, so there's celebrate Dragon Ball. Dragon Ball, correct? So it's very famous in Taiwan. So that food that you saw, it's for that Dragon Ball. Pork and noodles. So we just scoot uphill. They have a night view. It's not very steep, maybe like 10 minutes of driving. So these neighborhoods, I don't know if you can see a lot of it, but it was made like Japanese style. So this is a traditional Taiwanese bun place. And can you see it's fully packed? So they have dumplings here also, milky. You can see the little buns, they're with pork. So it's actually not bad. The bun is very tasty, but inside it's kind of like a dumpling. So my friend bought this. It's illegal in Taiwan. Like, the whole shop looked very sketchy. There was toys, and on the back room they sell waves, and I think they sell not only waves. This cost 400 and this costs 600, so in total like 30 euro. Yeah, it looks kind of expensive. Yeah, we just stopped here for some noodles. Hey guys, so today was a blast waiting for my laundry. 1 minute. I'm gonna end this day here and see you tomorrow.